Yes, good morning everyone. So friends, welcome to another class of our free lecture series of UPSC CSAT 2025. And guys, till now we have studied ratio and proportion and partnership, right? And today we have one more topic and one simple topic, that is problem based on ages. And this time also UPSC has asked one question, and today we'll be like solving some questions of ratio proportion also with this approach, the approach that we are going to discuss today. And guys, in this topic, actually I would suggest you, we have a lot of data actually in the question, like the questions that they are asking these days. Here they are like giving you a lot of data. So if you are getting a lot of data in the question, right, then you can go through the options also in the question, right? Or if the data is feasible for the process that we are going to discuss, right? So obviously you can approach with the process, fine. So hope it is loud and clear to all of you. Everyone, if it is loud and clear, just let me know in the chat box and we can start with the class, right? Yes, everyone. So I can see some of you, can see Maran. Guys, hope it is loud and clear to all of you. Shall we start with the class? All right. All right, yeah. Hi, Ayan, please come. Yes. So guys, we are live now. Please join. Okay. So let's start, guys, today's class, right? And here, till now you have studied ratio and proportion. So hope you guys are very much comfortable with the ratio and proportion till now, right? So this is, guys, this is the YouTube channels. I mean, you can scan the QR codes to join these channels. UNGIST IAS for English medium and UNGIST IAS Hindi for Hindi medium, right? I mean English. And here, like, this is the book that we are going to follow in this classes, right? And this is the test series, right? And these are the Telegram channel for the discussions and for the regular updates. This is the channel and this is the group. Fine, you can share your doubts here. So obviously your fellow batchmates will be solving your questions, your doubts. All right. And guys, these are the courses. Ab dekh lijiyega isko, theek hai? So friends, today we have the problem based on ages, right? And this is actually a very simple topic, and this class maybe hardly will take around 40-45 minutes, that's it, right? So this is a very simple topic. Just look at this relationship, and guys, before starting that topic, let me tell you the difference between the ages of two persons. This is the concept. The difference between the ages of two persons does not change with time. Yes or no? I repeat, the difference between the ages of two persons does not change with time. Suppose that your brother is, let's say, 5 years younger to you. So he will be always 5 years younger to you, right? Whether you are like calculating it in 2024 or in 2029 or in 2026 or 2010, whatever. Correct, everybody? So difference between the ages of two persons does not change with time, but the ratio between their ages will be changed in a regular interval. Okay, everyone? And now look at this relationship and look at the property of ratio. So guys, in 2000 I have assumed there are two persons, let's say A and B, right? In 2000 the age of Mr. A was 16 years and the age of Mr. B was 20 years. All right? So what is the ratio of their ages? 4:5 in 2000. Correct? And in 2004, now Mr. A will become 20 years, right? In 4 years, his age will be increased by 4 years. So he will be 20 years and he will be 24. Now the ratio will become 5:6. Correct? Again, after 4 more years, this ratio will become 6:7. Right? So guys, the property of the ratio is what? Just look at this carefully. Just look at this carefully. Suppose that this is 4:5. And in 4 years, if this ratio becomes 5:6, like this increased by 1 and this also increased by 1, then in another 4 years, this will be like becoming 6:7, right? This will increase 1 and this will also increase by 1. And in another 4 years, this will become 7:8. Guys, getting this relationship? Everyone fine now, right? I repeat, if there is some ratio, certain ratio, and if it changed, in 4 years it becomes 5:6. or in n years, let's say 4, it can be 4, it can be 2, it can be 5, it can be 7 also. So if n years it becomes 5:6, then again in next n years it will become 6:7, and again in next n years it will become 7:8, again in next n years it will become 8:9. Correct everybody? Now this value, this is known as interval size, everybody. This is known as interval size. Correct? So here the interval size is 4 years. Correct everybody? And now whenever you need to find the age of any person at any year, right? Suppose that here I need to find the age of Mr. B in 2016. Suppose that, right? I need to find the age of Mr. B in 2016. So you know what you have to do? You just have to multiply the ratio term of Mr. B in 2016 with the interval size, right? The ratio term of Mr. B in 2016 was what? 9, and the interval size is 4. So 9 into 4, the age of Mr. B in 2016 was 36 years. Guys, it is clear? Everyone fine now? Again, let's say another question. The age of Mr. A in 2008. So ratio term is 6. 6 into 4 will be 24. Getting it everyone? Right? So here, first of all, what you have to identify? You just need to identify the interval size. And guys, interval size कैसे निकाला जाएगा ये भी मैं आपको भी बताऊंगा. And how to find the interval size and exactly what the interval size is. Suppose that like 3:4 becomes 4:5. Then only, I mean, if let's say if this change happens in let's say 5 years, right? Then only the 5 will be considered as the interval size. Suppose that like 3:4 becomes 6:8, or just wait, 3:4 becomes 3:5 in next 5 years. Then guys, this is not the symmetry. I mean, this is not the symmetry. Then this 5 is not the interval size. For this 5 to treat it, I mean to be considered as the interval size, we should have this type of relationship. Everyone agreed? Right guys? Any confusion, any query, any doubt? Correct? Okay. So if you want to write this down, you may please write it down. Okay? Everyone? Please write it down. Yes, all of you? Guys, any doubt? I can see some of you, Sophia, Shakti, Vasu, Siramulu, Maran. Guys, any confusion, any query, any doubt? No? All right, very good. Very good, guys. Parul is fine now?
Yes.
Ayan, comfortable? हाँ, Akram, ठीक है? ठीक है, good, very good. Yes, guys. Yes, everyone? Done? Or you want some more time? Okay. Take 1 more minute. ठीक है. ठीक है, take 1 more minute. All right. Done? Guys, is it clear? Right? After that, everyone, now let's talk about some questions. So initially we will have direct questions where the interval size is clearly given, right? And after that we'll have those type of questions where we need to find the interval size first, and then we have to use this process. Correct everybody? Huh? Okay. Now let's talk about the first question. The first question says the present ages of A and B are in the ratio 4:5. 8 years hence, the ratio will become 5:6. Find out the present age of A, right? So present ages of A and B are in the ratio 4:5. 8 years hence, this ratio will become 5:6. Guys, just look at this relationship. Everyone, right? So here, what is the interval size? 8 years is the interval size, right? And this is the, this is the ratio of the present ages, huh? Fine. So what are they asking in the question? The present age of A, right? So what is the ratio term corresponding to A? It is 4 and the interval size is 8. So 8 into 4, the present age of A is 32 years. Friends, any doubt? Clear? Right, everybody? Any confusion, guys? So this is the property of ratio only, right? This is the property of ratio, friends. Correct? So we are just utilizing the property. That's it. Friends, any doubt? No? And guys, all the questions are written in the book, so please don't waste your time while writing the questions. Right? The questions are written in the book only. So it is advisable to purchase the book so that you can get the maximum benefit of these classes. Okay? Yes. Shall we move now, guys, to the next question? All of you? Sharing? Done? Okay, very good. So friends, now let's talk about the next question. Yes, guys, I want you guys to solve this question. The present ages of A and B are in the ratio 7:8, right? 5 years hence, the ratio becomes 8:9. Find out the present age of B. I want you guys to solve this question, guys. There is no need to write anything. ऐसे ही कर दीजिए, guys. Put down your pens. Everyone, put down your pens. This is what? 7, 8. What this becomes? 8, 9. So interval size will be what? 5. Right. What are they asking? The age of B, present. Done. Right. What is the point of writing anything? Right. अब आप note करिए. Now you please write. Right. Because in the examination, you have to solve the question like this first. And then you just have to fill the bubble. Right? Now please use the pen. Yeah. Everyone clear now? Guys, any doubt? Any problem? Any confusion? Any query? No? Right? Okay, very good. Shall we move? I am done. Okay, Akram, comfortable? Okay, chaliye, theek hai. All right. So guys, now let's talk about the next question. Just read this question, everyone. Karna nahi hai aapko, right? You don't need to solve this question. You just have to read the question, right? You just have to read the question. The question says the present age of A and B are in the ratio 6:7. 16 years hence, the ratio will become 8:9. See everyone, the present ratio is 6:7. So this is 6:7. And 16 years hence, this will become 8:9. See guys, this is the difference of 2. Right? In how many years? 16 years. Right? Since the difference of 2 and the difference of, this is the symmetricity actually. Right? So that's why this 16 will be divided by this difference. And now this will be treated as the interval size. So actually the situation is what, guys? So the real situation is 6:7. After 8 years, this becomes 7:8. And after another 8 years, this becomes 8:9. Like the property that we have discussed initially, right? In 4 years, in 4 years, in 4 years. So here it is in 8 years, 8 years, 8 years. Guys, it is clear, right? So in 8 years it becomes this, in 8 years it becomes, in next 8 years it becomes this. So the present ages are in the ratio 6:7, right? So guys, present ages of A and B, and B are 48 and 56. Is it clear now, friends? Huh? Okay. Everyone fine now. Guys, any doubt, any confusion, any query, any problem in the class, anyone? Clear? Right? Okay. So, you know what, this is a very simple property of numbers or the ratio that we need to observe. That's it, right? Everything depends upon your observation, how smartly you observe the things, right? That's it. Vim, it's fine? Okay. Sharing? Comfortable? Huh? All of you? Comfortable now? I can see some of you. Yes, everyone? Those who are sitting online, Sophia, Shakti, Vasu. Guys, is it fine? Okay, that's great. That's great, everyone. Now, let's talk about one question which is not directly given in the form of interval size, right? Guys, just look at this question. अच्छा ठीक है, ये भी वही है मुझे लग रहा है. Everyone, ऐसे बताइए, what is the interval size here? देखिए जरा, this is 5, 6 and this becomes 8, 9. Difference of 3, 3, right? What is the interval size? 6. 18 by 3. The interval size is 6. What are they asking? The percentages of P and Q. This into 6, this into 6. 30 and 36. Everybody, it is clear? Right? Guys, any doubt? Any confusion to anyone? No? Fine. 6. See, the thing is here, this is 5:6, which becomes 8:9 in how many years? In 18 years. This is the difference of 3 and this is also the difference of 3, so this will be divided. So 6 will be treated as the interval size, right? In every 6 years it is increasing 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? So in 18 years it is increasing 3, correct? Yes. Alright everyone, fine. How simple are these things, no? How simple, right? Huh? Alright. Okay. So, guys, let's move to the next question. Just read it, everyone. Now please look at this question. All of you. I want you guys to observe the things carefully. See guys, here the ratio between the present ages of A and B is 5:8, right? 4 years hence, the ratio between their ages will be 2:3. What is the B's present age, right? So everyone, this question is not given in the form of what we want, right? So first of all, we need to convert this question in the form of the earlier questions and then we need to solve it. Correct everyone? Fine. So, kaise hoga? Just think on it, right? So here, see all of you, this is 5:8, huh? And this is 2:3, right? So ideally this is not 2:3, let me tell you. Ideally this is not 2:3, this is something else, but sometimes the ratio is not given in its simplest form, right? So both the terms can be cancelled with a common term, right? Suppose that, let's say it is given as 8:10. So this is not actually 8:10, this is 4:5, right? Up sometimes it is written as 4:5, but ideally it should be 8:10 to maintain some ratio like this. So here also it may be something else, correct? Now how to find that number, right? Let me tell you. So guys, here the difference of these two will be multiplied with both the terms, I mean here, and the difference of these two will be multiplied here. Getting it? I mean the difference of these two terms will be multiplied here and the difference of these two terms will be multiplied here. That's it. Look at this guys. Look at the relationship. What is the difference? 1. 1 will be multiplied here and here, no change, 5:8 only. What is the difference? 3. 3 will be multiplied here and 3 will be multiplied here. This is 6:9. Correct everyone? So ideally it was 6:9. But since 6 and 9 both are divisible by 3, so that's why it was divisible by 3, it became 2, and it was divided by 3, it became 3. Getting it? But the actual ratio must be 6:9. Correct? Now this is in the form that we want, right? What is the interval size? 4 years. The present age of A is 5 into 4, the present age of B is 8 into 4. Right? Guys, is it clear? Right? So this is 5 into 4 is the present age of A and 8 into 4 is the present age of B. So this is 20 and this is 32. Guys, any confusion, any query, any doubt, any problem, anyone in the class?
Sure. Previous question will be divided
16 by 2 because this was not 1, this was 3 or this was 2. Just check that, right? Interval size will be considered, only the difference will be 1. Correct? Yeah. Yes, everybody, any doubt? Guys, any problem? Any confusion, any query? All right. So online students, guys, voice is loud and clear. Is it audible to all of you? How? Because I can read one chat. Someone is saying your voice is not clear. Okay, right. Voice is clear? All right, good. Good, very good. Vasu is saying, sir, if the difference between is 5 in below. Okay. We'll take some questions on it also. Don't worry. Guys, is it fine now? Shall we move? Huh? Let's do one question. One more question like this. एक बार कीजिए जरा. You just read this question. A man's age is 3 times the age of his son. Right? A man's age is 3 times the age of his son. 12 years hence, father means man. 12 years hence, the man's age will be double of his son's age. Find out the man's present age. Right, everyone? Just read the question carefully. Question is saying, see, this is man and let's say this is son. Right? So man is thrice at present. Right? The man is thrice at present. And after how many years? After 12 years, the man is twice. Right? Sorry. After 12 years, the man is twice. So everybody, what is the difference over here? 2. 2 will be multiplied with these two terms and 1 will be multiplied with these two terms. So 1 will be multiplied will make no difference. So don't multiply with 1, just try to multiply with 2. So this is what? 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 1 is 2. Right? So this is 4 and 2. Guys, is it clear? So this is 1, this is 1. What is the interval size? What is the interval size? The interval size is 12. 12 into 3, 12 into 1. So this is 36 and this is 12. Everybody clear? So man at present is 36 and his son at present is 12 years. Right? So man's present age is 12 into 3, which is 36 years, and son is 12 into 1, which is 12 years. Guys, hope it is clear. Right? Everybody? Hope it is clear. Huh? Friends, any doubt, any confusion, any query? Anyone in the class? What? See, the thing is here the difference is what? 2, right? So 2 will be multiplied with both the terms. And here the difference is 1. So 1 will be multiplied with both the terms. To convert it into its actual form. Right? Okay. Yes, everyone? Guys, any doubt? Any confusion? All right. No? Okay, that's great. Yes, online students, guys, interaction is needed actually, right? मेरे को समझना होता है कि आपको समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं. So please try to interact with me. Huh? Okay, मुझे बात करना बहुत पसंद है. Yes, all of you, is it clear now? Okay. Shall we move? Huh? Very good. So guys, let's take the next question. Yes, guys. Now you please do it. I want you guys to solve this question. The question is saying the age of Mr. Ramesh is 4 times the age of his son. 10 years hence, the age of Mr. Ramesh will be twice the age of his son. Find the present age of Ramesh's son. Please try to solve it, guys. If you can solve this, then it is fine. Else, I would be helping you out. Don't worry. Right? Yes, everyone. Huh? What is the answer? 5. Everyone, 5? Maybe you are getting a different answer. Okay, no problem. Akram, what's your answer? 5. Okay, those who are sitting online, guys, what's your answer? 20 and 5? Okay. 20 means the man's age is 20, right? Okay. 20 and 5. Okay, ठीक है, देख लेते हैं. Ramesh and son. Okay. So the Ramesh is 4 times. So this is 4:1. Right? 10 years hence, Mr. Ramesh is twice. So this is 2. So guys, here the difference is 1. There is no point to multiply this. And here the difference is what? 3. So if I multiply this number with 3, this will become 6. If I multiply this number with 3, this will become 3. So guys, here the difference is 2 and here the difference is 2. 2 is the difference like coming in 10 years. So interval size will be considered as 5 years. So 5 into 4 and 5 into 1. Correct. Your answer is right. So at present, Mr. Ramesh is like the age of Mr. Ramesh is 20 years and at present the age of Mr. Ramesh's son is 5 years. Right? Everyone fine now? Any doubt? No? Anyone in the class? Any confusion? Yes. All right. Is it clear? Shall we move? Everyone? Okay. After that, guys, again, this is Mohan Ram. Kariye zara ek baar aap. Right? Kariye zara. Yes, all of you. 10 years ago, Mohan was thrice as old as Ram, and 10 years hence, he will be twice as old as Ram. Okay? Find Mohan's present age. All right. Yes, everyone. Try to solve this. And what's the answer?
So 1960.
Okay. What's your answer? Okay. Parul, what's your answer? Oh, nahi ho rahe? Are online students? Vara Telugu is saying it is 60-20. Arushi, what's your answer? Bablu, what's your? Vasu, what's your answer? And Sakti, what's your answer? Udayashri, what's your answer? Sophia, what's your answer? Yes. Shall we discuss, guys, or you want some more time? हाँ सर बता दीजिए अच्छा ठीक है चलिए. Okay, see all of you, just look at the data, right? Just look at the data of the question. The question is saying what? The question is saying 10 years ago Mohan was thrice. So this is Mohan and this is Ram. And guys, 10 years ago, let's say we are talking about, I mean the present is 2024 is running, right? So let's say 2024 is at present. 10 years ago means they are talking about 2014, correct? And 10 years hence means 2034. Everybody okay? So this is the present year, right? Anyways, so let me change the color of the pen actually. So here, 10 years ago the ratio of Mohan and Ram was 3:1. Guys, okay? 10 years ago Mohan was thrice as old as Ram. 10 years hence he will be twice. 10 years hence means this, right? They are not talking anything about the present ages of Ram and Mohan. Fine. So guys, what is the difference? 2. So just multiply 2 here, this will become what? 4. And this will become what? 2. Guys, here, this is the difference what? This is the difference of 1 in how many years? Yes, this difference is becoming in 20 years. Yes or no, everyone? So from 2014 to 2034, this difference is becoming 1, right? So here, what is the interval size? The interval size is 20 years. Fine. So the interval size is 20 years. So age of Mr. Mohan in 2014 was 20 into 3, right? So age of Mr. Mohan in 2014 was 60 years, right? In 2014, let me change a different pen actually. This is 20 into 3 and this is 20 into 1, right? So this is 60 years and this is 20 years. And this is what? Mohan and this is Ram, right? So guys, in 2014 their ages were 60 and 20. The question is talking about their present ages. It means the question is asking their ages in 2014, guys. Sorry, 2024, I'm sorry. So in 2024, this will be like increased by 10 years and this will also be increased by 10 years. So the answer is 70 years and 30 years. So what they have asked specifically, whose age they are asking? Mohan's. Alright. So Mohan's present age is 70 years, guys. Okay. So most of you have solved it correctly, but you did not add it, add 10, right? So please mind it in the examination, you will get the option as 60 years. One of the 4 options will be 60 years, right? So please take care, guys. Okay. Yes, everyone, fine now? Okay. Okay. All right. Guys, any doubt, any confusion, any query? Okay, this question is talking about 10 years back, so you just have to understand it clearly. So whatever you are going to find it like 10 years back, right? So whatever the answer you are getting, you are going to get, agar aapka 60 years aa bhi raha hai, so this is the data of 10 years back. So they are talking about the present ages. So you have to add 10 to that number, right? Okay. Arushi, it is fine now. Okay. Yes, guys, is it clear? Anyone? Any confusion? Any problem? How? No? All right, that's great. Shall we move now? Akram, आपका हो रहा है? Comfortably? हाँ? Good. Okay. चलिए. ठीक है. After that, guys, इसको हम करेंगे नहीं. ठीक है? इसको हम करेंगे नहीं. ये हो जाएगा. Right? You please read this question. And in the examination also, you don't have to you don't have to solve these type of questions. You just have to read them and it will be solved automatically. Just read, please. Read the question, guys. Yes. The question says, the sum of the ages of Shweta and her mother is 63 years. 4 years back, her mother's age was 4 times of Shweta's age at that time. Alright. Find the present age of Shweta's mother. Right. Guys, the question is saying the sum of the present ages of Shweta and her mother is 63 years. Right. The sum of the present ages of Shweta and her mother is 63 years. So you please tell me one thing, guys. 4 years back they are talking about, right? 4 years back. So if the sum of their present ages is 63, then what will be the ages of their sum 4 years back? Yes, very good. It will be subtracted by 8 years. Why? Because 4 years Shweta's age will be reduced and 4 years her mother's age will be reduced. So final sum will be reduced by 8. Everybody clear now? Right? So 4 years back, what was the age of their sum? Sorry, what was the sum of their ages? I'm sorry, guys. 4 years back, what was the sum of their ages? The sum of their ages must be 55 years. Guys, is it fine? And the additional data is saying mother's age was 4 times. It means the ratio between Shweta's mother's age and her age, mother and Shweta, this is 4:1, everybody, yes or no? Right? So if you want to divide 55 in this ratio, what you are going to get? The sum is what? The sum is 5. This number will be divided by 5 will give you 11. 11 into 4, 11 into 1. So this is 44 years and this is 11 years, right? So 4 years back, their ages must be 44 and 11. So their present ages are this plus 4 and this plus 4, which is 48 and 15, right? So their present ages are, right? So this is 48 years and this is 15 years. So, you know, friends, just read the question carefully. It will be solved automatically. Let me tell you, right? You try to comprehend the question clearly and it will be solved. Just trust your brain, guys, right? Your brain is a very magical device. Once you understand the problem, it starts giving you the solution. Right? Okay? Yes, guys. Okay. Yes, guys, any doubt? Shall we move now, everyone? Huh? Shall we move now? Huh? All right. Guys, the next question, I'll be solving like this. I'll be just reading the question and the question will be solved. Right? You will be reading the question, the question will be solved. Right? Okay, all of you. Just read this. Karna nahi hai aapne, huh? Please put down a pens, all of you. Put down a pens. Just read the question. Okay? And specifically, let me tell you, just read till here. Abhi, just ignore this part. Right? Okay. What you can extract from this information, anything which is coming to your mind after reading this information, anything. 1 year 15%? No. It doesn't go like this. Anything else?
Ratio of
Huh?
ratio, sir. ratio.
Exactly. Anything else? No idea. Oh. Akram? Oh. Okay, the ratio of the ages is given. That is very correct. See, all of you, let me tell you, a man's age is 150% of what it was 10 years ago. So again, let's say 10 years ago it was 2014 and now it is 2024. Correct, guys? Okay. So here, if the man was, let's say 100%, so here man is 150%. Guys, yes or no? Correct? Huh? If here it was 100%, then it is 150% of this value now. Correct? So what is the ratio? This is 3:2, guys. Look at this. This is 3:2, correct? So this is 3 units and this is 2 units. So their difference is 1 unit and the question says their difference is 10 years. So 1 is equal to 10, then 3 is equal to what? 30 and 2 is equal to 20, right? So present age of that person, I mean man's age, the man is 30 years of age at present. Guys, is it correct? So you can solve this question from only one set of data, right? Or, guys, why I am telling you? Because these days the questions are being asked in the form of data sufficiency, where they are giving you statements, statement A, statement B. So they are saying the question can be solved from one statement only. The question can be solved from two statements, second statement only. Or the question can be solved by using both the statements together. Have you read these type of questions these days? Right? So suppose that the question is, what is the present age of the man? Right? And the first statement is given the man's age is like 150% of what? Correct? And the second statement is given like this. I'll reveal this also now. Guys, getting it? Fine. So this question can be solved by using first statement only. Right? Now, I'll be taking the second statement alone. Okay? Guys, second statement alone. Yes, everyone. The second statement is, but को छोड़ दीजिए, 75% of what it will be after 10 years. Right? 75% of what it will be after 10 years. Right? So it means present we are running in 2024, right? So let's say 2024. In 2024 and in 2034. So 75% of what it will be after 10 years. So after 10 years, if it is 100%, so today it is 75% of this. Guys, is it clear or not? Correct? Right? Just look at this statement only. Right? Yes, everybody clear? Now, what is the ratio? 3:4. What is the difference? 1. 1 is equal to 10. Ye 10 hai na? So this is 30 and this is 40. So from here also you can determine the man's age. Present age is 30 years. And from here also you can determine his present age is 30 years. Right? So this question can be solved from either of the two statement alone. Getting it, everyone? Right? So either will be selected as the answer. And the very chances are there, this type of question you will get as the data sufficiency problem in the question, in the actual exam. Everybody okay? Any confusion, guys? No? Please note it down. Yeah. Please note it down. Yeah. Guys, is it clear? Akram, any confusion? No? All right. Okay, that's great. Hemant Kumar is saying, sir, in both the years, in both statement, 10 is constant. Okay. See, Hemant, it is not the problem, right? This is not the problem. See, it may also happen from these two statements, two different statements, you may get the different ages of the same person. It may also happen. But if you are able to find the age, if you are able to find the unique age of that person, right? So it is considered that the question is being solved from this statement alone. Getting it, everyone? Right? Here, by chance, we are getting the same answer from both the statements. And because here, this is like both the statements are part of the same question. Getting it? But if they have to split these two statements different in two different statements if they are given, suppose that, then it may also happen that they can change this 10 to, let's say, 15 or something else. So in that case, you may not get the same answer like as you are getting here. But if you are getting the unique answer, if you are able to determine the age of the person from one statement alone, then also the question, the answer will be either. Hemant, it is clear now? Right? Yes, guys, is it clear? Okay. All right, very good. Shall we move now? Okay. So, guys, when you are making notes, you please have to write these type of questions. Like this question is, this question has the scope of data sufficiency, right? So please write these type of things in your notes copy also. Fine. So this question can be asked in the form of DS. Correct? Okay. All right. Let's move now to the next question, guys. All right. See everyone. मुझे ये बताइए, इसको कुछ मत कीजिएगा आप. You just have to read this question. Yes. First statement. It is telling you anything? What? Age gap. Okay. So, what you can say with the age gap? Any clue with the age gap? Age gap always remains the same. Right, everybody? Age gap between two persons always remains the same. Right? So the ages between, the difference between the ages of Rahul and Radha will be 10 years always, right? Okay. Now, 5 years back, their ages were in the ratio of what? 1:2, right? So Rahul and Radha. So Rahul क्या है? Younger है?
Yes.
Rahul younger है ना? So shall I write like this? Huh? Okay. So guys, this is the data of 5 years back, correct? Huh? Okay. Now here it is 1 and the difference will always be 10 years, be it 5 years back or 10 years back or 20 years back or anywhere. The difference will always be 10 years between their ages, right? So 1 is equal to 10 years. Correct, everybody? Huh? So if 1 is equal to 10, then obviously this is 10 years and this is what? This is 20 years, right? So guys, 10 years back, Rahul was 10 years old and Radha was 20 years old. So present ages will be 10 plus 5, which is 15. And this is 20 plus 5, which is 25. Guys, any doubt? Right? So their present ages are 15 and 25. Any query, friends? Any confusion? Any doubt? No? Everyone? Guys, any doubt? No? All right. Very good. Okay. Yes, guys. Hope it is clear now. All right. Okay. So, guys, just take out the book, please. I think now you all have the book. You all have the book, huh? Everyone? You all have book. These, till now? So please take out the book, guys, and let's talk about UPSC PYQs. Come to page number 146. Everyone, those who are sitting online, guys, hope you have the book. Up share kar do, share kar do. Everyone, those. So guys, online students, सभी के पास book है ना? Online students, everyone have the book? Yes, all of you? Yes, okay. So please take out the book, come to page number 146. See guys, read the first question. Okay, the first question is, in fact, don't read the first question, come to second question first. Everyone, second question. The second question is saying, the monthly income of Peter and Paul are in the ratio 4:3, right? Their expenses are in the ratio 3:2. Guys, 4:3 and 3:2, right? If each save rupees 6,000 at the end of the month, their monthly income respectively are. All of you, just look at these numbers. Okay, everyone, just look at these numbers. Guys, idhar dekhiye zara, please. It will hardly take 3 to 4 seconds. That's it. To figure out this, like, क्या दिया होता 4:3, huh? Everyone, 4:3. What is this? Income, huh? Okay, and expenditure is 3:2. Everyone, just look at this first, right? Okay, so there must be some gap, and that gap will be treated as the interval size, right? Acha, what is the gap? See, this is income and this is expenditure. Income minus expenditure is what? Saving. And saving is given as 6,000, right? Income minus expenditure is saving, and saving is given as 6,000 in the question, right? Guys, just look at this. This is 6,000 and this is 6,000, correct? So here 6,000 will be treated as the interval size, right? So 6,000 into 4, 6,000 into 3. Question is saying their incomes are respectively. So this is what? 24,000, and this is what? 18,000. So their incomes respectively are 24,000 and 18,000. Okay, everybody? So you just have to figure out which question can be solved by which method, right? So, and if you are solving this question directly, so obviously you will make two equations, right? Income will be 4x and 3x, and this is 3y and 2y, and then difference, and this is 6x, 6,000 something something, and then you will be end up with solving two equations, right? There is no point of doing that, guys. Okay? They are saying the basic numeracy till class 10th, right? But that doesn't mean that you need to solve that question with the help of the 10th class process or method, right? Okay? Yes. Everyone fine now? Guys, is it clear? Everyone fine? So friends, this question was asked in which year? 2015, right? And everyone, this was CSAT 2015 question, correct? This was CSAT 2015. This was question number 2. Just read question number 3, guys. That was asked in CSAT 2017. Everyone, read question number 3, which was asked in CSAT 2017. Right, everybody? Peter suddenly became X and Paul became Y. Right? Okay? Guys, everything is same? What is the answer for this question, guys? 42? Right? Just look at the questions, guys. Okay? So this is the importance of PYQ, this is the power of PYQ, right? So they are not doing any effort, they are just changing the name and they're just putting the same question, right? Okay, everyone. So this was question number 3. Question number 2 we have done, question number 3 we have done, right? Okay. Now, guys, question number 4. Just read. Question number 4, which was asked in CSAT 2019. Question number 4. Just read that question. Question number 4 says, in 2002, Minu's age was 1/3 the age of Mira. Right? Question number 4, that was asked in 2019. In 2002, Minu's age was 1/3 the age of Mira. Whereas in 2010, Minu's age was half of the age of Mira. What was Minu's year of birth? Everybody clear? आप मत कीजिए, मैं करके दिखाता हूँ. ठीक है? Don't solve it. I'll be solving it for you. Okay. Shall I remove this part, guys? Everyone, shall I remove this part? Huh? Okay. Now read the question. The question is saying in 2002. In 2002. So the two characters are Minu and Mira. Right? There are two characters, Minu and Mira. In 2002, Minu's age was 1/3 the age of Mira. Guys, what should I write over here? Huh? Yes, it is 1:3. Everybody? Right? After that, what they have said? In 2010, Minu's age was half of. 2010, everybody, idhar dekhiye zara. In 2010, Minu's age was half. Right? This is the data, guys. मुझे बताइए, what is the difference here? 2. Just multiply 2 to these two numbers. क्या आएगा? 2:4. Everybody. This was 1, this was 2. So when 2 will be multiplied with 1, it will become 2, and 2 will be multiplied with 2, it will become 4. यही था ना? Now, guys, ये कितना है? What is the time gap? 8 years. Right? So interval size will be considered as 8 years. Fine. So here or here, right? Here, this is 8 into 2 and this is 8 into 4. Right? So this is what, 16 and this is 32. Right? Everybody clear? What is the question? Minu's year of birth. Minu was, देखिए guys, Minu was 16 years old in 2010. Right? Question is saying, what was Minu's year of birth? Everybody. In which year Minu was born? This is the question. So Minu was 16 years of age in 2010. It means 2010 minus 16 years will be the year of birth. So 10 years here and 6 years there. So this is 1994. Okay, everybody? So 1994 means 2010 minus 16 years will be the year of birth for Minu. Everybody clear? Okay? All right. Guys, is it fine now? Everybody? Any doubt? Any confusion? Any query? No? 2:4. See, this is 1:3 and initially it was given as 1:2. Right? It was given 1:2. Fine. So here the difference is 1, here the difference is 2. When 2 will be multiplied to both the terms, this will give you 2:4. Is it clear now? Everybody? Fine? Okay. Guys, any doubt? Any query? Any problem? Any confusion? No? None? Okay. Alright. After that, guys, there are some questions which can be solved logically also. Right? For example, in 2019 they have asked one more question. In 2019 they have asked 2 questions from this topic. Right? In 2019 they have asked 2 questions. The second question was, Anna was born 4 years after her parents' marriage. Right? Guys, just read the question. Question number 5. Anna was born 4 years after her parents' marriage. Her mother is 3 years younger than her father. Okay. and 24 years older than Anna. Okay, who is 13 years old? At what age did Anna's father got married? Okay, everybody? See guys, just मैं करता हूँ, आप नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है? You just tell me the data of the question, right? Question is saying 4 years after parents' marriage, Anna born, right? यही लिखा हुआ है ना? और क्या लिखा हुआ है? Her mother is 13 years older than her, ऐसा कुछ? अच्छा, her mother is 3 years younger than her father. Anything else? This is one data. Yes. Huh? 24 years. Acha. So mother minus Anna is 24. Yes. Anything else? How? Anna is 13. Okay, guys. Anna is 13 years. Everyone just look at this. Anna's age is given in the question. So this is 13. Now 13 plus 24 will be the age of her mother. Just look at this. Right. 13. I mean this is 13. If you put 13 here, you will get 24 plus 13 will be the age of her mother. Right. So Anna's mother must be, yes, this plus 13, this plus 24 will be 37 years. Sorry. Will be 37 years. Right. So age of Anna's mother will be 37 years. After that, Anna's mother is 3 years younger to her father. So it means her father must be of 40 years of age. 37 plus 3. Right. So 37 plus 3 will be the age of her father. So this will be 40 years. See, everybody, the question is asking at what age did her father get married? Right. Now please tell me, if today the age of Anna is 13 years and Anna was born 4 years after the marriage of her parents, it means 17 years before they got married. Why? Because Anna born 13 years back, and 4 years back they got married. So 13 and 4, total 17. 13 and 4 is total 17, right? So 17 years back they got married. So it means today he is 40. So 40 minus 17, it means at the age of 23 years, he must have got married, guys. Right? Child marriage. All right. But now 20 years, I mean, is allowed in our constitution for a male. Yes. So guys, is it clear now? Huh? Okay. Chaliye. Okay, everyone. All right. Guys, any doubt? Any confusion? Any query? Anyone in the class? No? Done? All right. Very good. Shall we move now to the next question, guys? Question number 6. Question number 6 was asked in 2022. Guys, आपको ये question करना नहीं है, ठीक है? Question number 6, ये question आपको करना नहीं है. You just have to read the question. Question number 6 is saying, what is the age of Manisha? ठीक है? What is the age of Manisha? Statement number 1, Manisha is 24 years younger than her mother. So guys, this statement alone will not give you any clue from the question statement. Question is saying, what is the age of Manisha? Statement number 1 is saying Manisha is 24 years younger than her mother. So we cannot use this information to find the age of Manisha alone. Everybody clear? So from statement number 1 alone, you can't find the answer. Just come to statement number 2 alone first. Guys, statement number 2 alone. When you read statement number 2, forget about statement number 1. Any information which is given in statement number 1, just forget that. Statement number 2 is saying 5 years later, the ages of Manisha and her mother will be in the ratio 3:5. Alright, guys, 5 years later their ages will be in the ratio 3:5. But alone this information will not give you any clue about their ages. Right? If you know the difference between their ages, that is fine. or if you know some other ratio also so that you can find the interval size, then also that ratio will be helpful. But here alone this information will not help you. Now guys, if you club them together, everyone just look at this, if you club them together, then 3:5, the difference is 2, 2 is equal to what, 24, 1 will be 12, 3 will be 36, 5 will be 60, correct? So guys, when you club these two statements together, you can find the answer of this question, right? So which option would you select as the answer? C option. Both statement number 1 and statement number 2 are sufficient to answer this question. Everybody clear now? Right? Correct guys? Okay. So this was the question was asked. This was the question was asked in 2022. Alright. After that guys, question number 7. 2024 question. Right, everyone? 2024 question I have included in the slide also. Right. So those who don't have book, please just read the slide. 2024 question. See guys, here just read the question. Fine. Question says, a father said to his son, "N years back I was as old as you are now. My present age is 4 times your age n years back. If the sum of the present age of the father and the son is 130 years, what is the difference between their ages?" Guys, here we have so many informations, right? N years back, n years here, right? So here in these type of questions, I told you one thing, if you have ample informations, then don't solve the question, just use the options, right? Use the options, okay? Guys, just look at the options first. Either dekhiye zara everyone. What is the final statement? What is the final question statement? Difference between their ages, right? And guys, when you use the options, always start with the easiest option, right? So which one is the easiest option here according to you? 30. Okay. So let's start with 30. Let's take option number A is the correct answer. So difference between their ages we have assumed as 30, correct? So father minus son is 30 years. We have taken this option. Now the question, one more thing is saying the sum of their present ages is 130. Likha hua hai, right? So just use that. The sum of their present ages is 130. With the help of these two statements, guys, you can solve the value of f and s, right? Just add them, s has cancelled, 2f is equal to 160, then f is equal to 80, right? So father's present age is 80 years and son's present age will be what? 30, it means 50 years. Kitna hoga? 50 hoga na? Right? 50 years. So all of you, what we have assumed, according to that data, we have got these values. Now, just put these values in the information given in the question. If they are satisfied, then this is the right answer. If they are not satisfied, it is not the right answer. Correct? Now please look at the question. The question is saying, n years back I was as old as you are now. N years back I was as old as you are now. See guys, when the father is saying to his son, n years back I was as old as you are now. So now the now the son is 50 years. So how many years back he must be 50 years? 30 years back. So according to us, according to the question, n is equal to 30 years. Right? जो डेटा हमने assume किया है उसके according n की value 30 years होनी चाहिए. Everybody okay? So n years back I was as old as you are now, and my present age, now guys, the second information, my present age is 4 times of your age n years back. So my son, father is saying to his son, my son, n years back, what's your age will be? Today I am 4 times of that age. Correct? So n years back, his son will be what? 20. Right? And 4 times of 20 is what? 80. Match. Right? So this is the correct answer. Right, everyone? So sometimes you don't need to solve the entire question, you just have to find the options, put the options and get the answer. Right? Everyone, please think about it carefully. Anything that you want to know, please let me know, I'll tell you. Everyone? Those who are sitting online. Arushi is saying, sir, please repeat the last step. Okay. Arushi, last step is what? The last step is, here we just have assumed the age of, I'm repeating it like from the very beginning, right? What we have assumed, we have taken the first option as the answer. The easiest option was 30, right? So we have assumed the difference, the question statement is what is the difference between their ages. So the difference between their ages was 30 that we have assumed, and in question they have said the sum of the present ages is 130. So the difference is 30, the sum is 130. So from these two equations we can solve. Father's present age is 80 years, son's present age is 50 years, right? Now we just check whether this data is like applicable to the question's information or not, right? So we have just taken the information from the question. A father said to his son, "N years back I was as old as you are now." So from this data, N is equal to 30 years, right? And the father is saying, your age N years back will be 1/4 of my present age, right? So this minus N will be 20, and father's present age is 80 years. So father is 4 times of 20. So this data got masked. So it means what we have considered is the right. Right everyone? Fine. Okay, Arushi, it is clear now. Okay. So guys, in the examination now, you just have to save your time. You please don't get emotional कि नहीं हम इसको नॉर्मल मेथड से करेंगे, या नॉर्मल मेथड से कैसे होगा सर, ये तो ठीक है लेकिन नॉर्मल मेथड से कैसे होगा, यहीं पे प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी। मैं बता रहा हूँ, आप ये समझिए कि आपको आता ही नहीं है नॉर्मल मेथड, राइट? मैं भी कर सकता हूँ नॉर्मल मेथड से इक्वेशन बना के, बट आई वोंट बी सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन विद इक्वेशंस। 30 years back the age of father must be 50, right? The question is saying n years back I was as old as you are now, so father will be 50 and son is also 50, right? Yes. Okay everyone? Yes guys, any other doubt, any other confusion friends? Okay, so when you have so many informations, right? So please don't solve the question with the process, just solve the question with the options. That's it. 30 years back the son was 20 years old, and today the father is 80, so this will 4 times, right? The question is saying my present age is 4 times your age n years back. So your age n years back will be 20, so my present age is 4 times of that age. Correct? Yeah. Yes everyone, any doubt, any confusion guys, any query? Huh? Done? Okay. So guys, these are the questions. Okay. And yes, you might have observed that the questions of income expenditure we could solve very easily with this process, right? So just by looking at the question, you know, ये आपको click करना चाहिए just by looking at the question. This question will be solved like that, and without writing anything you can solve the question. Exactly now, भाई देखिए, like 4:3, 3:2. This is the size of 1, 1, 1. So it means the interval size will be the difference. The difference is 6,000. 6,000 is the difference. Just multiply the 6,000. 4:3 is 24 and 18. Right? Guys, is it clear now? Okay. So hope you enjoyed the session, guys. This is the problem based on ages. And tomorrow we'll be studying with mixtures and allegation, right? And mixtures and allegation, guys, it's a very important tool. So many questions of arithmetic part we can solve with mixtures and allegation, right? So tomorrow's class is going to be a very important class, guys, right? So friends, that's all for today. I think, yeah, this is the book, guys. You were asking about the book. So this is the book. This book is available over Amazon and in our website. This is the UNGIST CSAT book, and this is the test series once again, right? So these classes are actually complemented by the book and the test series. So if you guys buy the test series and this book, these classes will be very much beneficial for you, right? Okay, friends. So thank you, everyone. I think this class is over. All right. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Let's meet tomorrow at 10:30. Right? Okay, everyone. Thank you. Thank you.